Hey everybody, this is Mouthy Fox, Rosanna Muldoon, your vessel and host, Mouthy Fox. Let me first say, please subscribe and hit that button right now. Like it, comment, share, do it. I looked at my analytics and 94% of you are watching my videos and you're not subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? Subscribe. All right. Today I wanted to talk real quick about something I saw on Instagram, this guy that I follow, where he says if you mix white vinegar with baking soda, in a little thing, you put it on your skin and it makes your skin feel better. It removes stains or marks or whatever, and also grows your hair. I don't know. I have to try it. So I'm going to do this with you. Right here, I've got a cherry angina, not to be confused with vagina. Oh my God. Anyway, so, wow. So, yeah, don't do that. But anyway, so this is an angina, a cherry angina, which is like an angel's kiss. I have them on my hands. It has nothing to do with age. I've got it. I've had them. I have. Oh, right there, you can see. You can see them. Little red spots. They're like, but you know, some people like them. Connect the dots. Anyway, so wow. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, you take this. You take a half a teaspoon. And you put it in a little jar. Okay, and then when you put of the baking soda, in case I forgot to mention. Okay, so when you put this white vinegar, not to be confused with apple cider, though I don't know. I was actually very curious to try the apple cider vinegar, and I probably will do that to see. You mix it in here. You hear that? It turns into like a carbonation. It starts bubbling. You can't see it, but it starts bubbling. You heard it. Okay. And so you don't be scared of that. It's not going to turn like a paste. You just wet it. You take it, and then you're going to put it all over your face. Here, listen. ASMR. Okay, anyway. So you put it, and I've noticed that when I put it here, these bags have actually reduced. Oh yeah, they have. Especially in the mornings. I've noticed that they've gotten less. Okay? You put that there. If you run out of, if it starts getting too dry, you put more liquid. Try to make it more vinegar than baking soda. That's my trick anyway. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but what I do, so I'm just gonna wipe all of that grime, which is the baking soda. I'll wash all of that off. See? Still feels grimy. Put some on my eyes. Ooh, it's all scratchy. If you press too hard and you scratch, you're gonna notice that you're doing it too hard, because once the vinegar touches your skin, it's gonna start burning. That's when you know. Okay? Until you remove the grime, so it's not scratchy. When your skin feels soft without the scratch. See, over here, it feels soft. Over here, no, I still have. I'm gonna keep doing it. I don't care. Okay? Just like that. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's super tight. Super tight. That's what it feels like right now. Super tight. Wow. Okay. Look at that. Let me see. It's kind of like a sticky. So, and that's what I do. I do it every night before I go to bed, and in the morning. So today was the first day you did it with me. So, like I said, if it's too uncomfortable for you, or if you don't like it, that's fine. Can you put makeup on after? Yeah, of course. You put makeup on after. It's fine. But that's why I said it's better you wash your face beforehand. Make sure it's nice and clean. And if you need to pluck your eyebrows, or if you need to like shave over here, or if you're a guy or whatever, you need to shave, wait until after you do it, because if you shave first and then you put the vinegar on, it's gonna burn. See what I'm saying? To do it today because I'll forget tonight. I've got other things I need to do and take care of. All right, so I will talk to you soon. Hopefully my hair will be the bright red it needs to be this week. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao. And from the den, foxies say, rawr.